Good morning, student. Today, our 10th standard biology topic is transportation in plants and circulation in animal. What are the learning objective study in this lesson? Okay, land, how the water and minerals move from soil to the plant. Then land, how to prepared by the leaf is translocated of various parts of the plant. Then understand the role of osmosis and transpiration. Then understand the composition of blood. Identify, explain the structure of heart and associated blood vessels. Understand the systematic pulmonary and coronary circulation difference. The events of cardiac cycle. Now about the blood pressure and heartbeat. Understand the use of stethoscope and sphygmomanometer. Identify the different blood group. Understand the role of lymphatic system. Okay. First you see about the means of transport in plant. Okay. What is transport? Transport means the transfer one of the material transfer one place to another place. That is called transport. Okay. The transport of material in and out of the cells is carried out by diffusion and active transport in plant. Okay. What are the material needed? That is in go to inside the plant. What are the waste material? That is go outside the plant. That it is carried out by the one of the process that is called diffusion and active transport. That is called active transport. Okay. Diffusion. Active means some of the material needed. You want the plant wanted material needed. That is go to inside. The unwanted material going to outside. That way it is called active transport. Okay. Then diffusion. What is the meaning of diffusion? The movement of solid, liquid, and gaseous molecule from the higher region to higher concentration to lower concentration without the utilization. Then no energy use. Okay. Then this process, the small amount of energy also not used. Okay. The 0% energy is used. Okay. This is a passive process. Okay. The movement of solid and liquid gases molecule from the higher to lower. Okay. See the figure 14.1. It is a best example of diffusion. Okay. Before diffusion, after diffusion. Okay. Higher the movement of the solid or liquid gases molecule movement from higher to lower. Okay. Then active transport. Okay. Active transport is the energy to pump the molecule against a concentration gradient. Okay. Active transport utilizes energy pump. Okay. Active transport is carried out by the membrane bound protein. This protein uses the energy to carry the substance across the cell membrane. One of the protein is used in this process, that is called protein substance used across the cell membrane, hence are referred to pump. Okay. One of the protein are used to pump the molecule. Okay. Molecule are any things. Okay. The pump can transport substance from lower concentration to higher concentration. Use the in your home. Use the motor. The pump used to motor. Then it will be transferred to water, one place to another place. Okay, that is a best example of active transport. Okay. Then osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of solvent or water molecule from the region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration. Okay. Then osmosis is the movement of solvent or water molecule from the higher to lower region through the semi-permeable membrane. This process is carried out till an equilibrium. Okay. Semi-permeable, one of the membrane is used in the osmosis process. The process is carried out till the equilibrium. Okay. The equilibrium is reached when the molecules or any things attain the equilibrium. Then only the osmosis process is finished. Okay. Then osmosis is the passive movement of water or any other solvent molecule. Okay. Then plasmolysis. It will occur when the living plant is placed in the hypertonic solution. What are the molecule moves out of the cell and resulting in the shrinking of protoplasm away from the cell wall. Then imbibition. Okay, it's a type of diffusion in the which the solid plant material absorbed by water gets swallowed up. Example, absorbed water by the dry seeds and grapes. It is were not for imbibition, seedling would not have been able to emerge out of the soil. Thank you, student. Today homework is means of transport in plant. Thank you, students.